Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tour. We back in another video, man. Today we out of Miami Hurricanes versus Notre Dame, man. We gonna get right into it, man. I heard this was a good game, so we gonna get straight to it, man. I ain't gonna do no talking. I ain't gonna do no talking, man. I ain't gonna do no talking. 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 I ain't gonna do no talking, man. Let's get right to a Hard Rock. They play a Hard Rock? Now, Hard Rock is a tough stadium, though. Come on, let's get to the game, though. Let's get to the game, though. Let's get to the game, though. Yo, Miami! Let's get to the game, though. Here we go. Easy, easy. And he fumbled first play. Notre Dame, go ahead and sign me, bro. Cut him and sign me, bro. I ain't going to fumble first play like that. Somebody like me, I'm going to hold that ball tight. Nobody getting the ball. I'm going to be like this. I'm going to be like this, though. Nobody getting that ball. I'm telling you. He sold. He sold, bruh.
Right knee down, but where is the ball at that point? Looks like it's already moving.
Okay, we get it. He fumbled. Come on, let's skip. And we get an ad. What's we doing? All right, let's get it. Oh, no, Notre Dame defense is too good. Notre Dame number 6. Miami number 10. Oh, it's a fake!
It was an okay job by Joyce trying to corral it, couldn't do it, calls the fire. And a massive moment for Notre Dame defensively.
Come on, bruh. Oh, yeah, Miami? Yeah, David Blake Jr.
But clearly not on the same
Hey!
with his center there. And the unblocked defender Blay makes the play in the backfield.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't know nothing about. I used to use. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I just used to use Notre Dame and NCAA 25. Other than that, I don't know nothing about them. I think I did use Miami a couple times in NCAA 25 too. Oh yeah, Tyreek Hill, he gone. He gone. Oh yeah. Tyreek Hill, go run. That's my type of move. That's what I be doing. I could walk onto a college field right now. Wide receiver 1, I'd be better than everybody. Nobody gonna be able to guard me. I'll route anybody up, bruh. Simple. Oh, good pass. Good pass. Oh yeah. Hey, he don't need to go to classes for a week. He don't need to go to no classes, bruh. Look at Carson Beck, so much aura. Oh my gosh. So much aura. Look at the aura pulsating off that man. Oh my gosh. Oh, he gone. He gone. Oh, that's Bo Jackson. Oh, that's Bo Jackson. Good run, boy. They get some pullers involved with Knapp rolling around. But Price got plenty of carries. It'll be more on Love. Good pass. Completion and a first down. Oh my gosh. I ain't lying. Nobody gonna pick me up like that. We pick me up like that, we got a box, bro. Simple. Simple. We got a box, bro. We pick me up like that. They are in field goal range for the new place. Oh yeah, he gone. Oh, Bo Jackson. Bo Jackson. Bo Jackson Jr. He gone. Bo Jackson Jr. He gone. A touchdown, bro. You should have called that. It's over, bro. If he still throw it. Hey, nah, he better than Patrick Mahomes. Simple. Simple. Michael Gilbert, you're the best receiver in NCAA history. Oh, that was a no look. He was like this and said, hey, 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 hey.
Nah, he's tough.
Carson Beck will use the time at the line. Now he steps up and throws. Good catch by C.J. Daniels for a first down.
Mid catch. Nothing too crazy. Something I would do, but
This was very nicely done.
I wouldn't follow though. I'll be more elite with it, with more skill. Simple.
Allows you so much freedom if your back is out. Steps up, attacks the line of scrimmage, and throws a well-timed pass. Just
36 yards, 12 for 19 total.
Come on, make.
Off his back foot.
Ah! All my life, that's the greatest catch. All my life, that's the greatest catch I've ever seen. That's a better catch than Odell Beckham. He's better than Jerry Rice. He's better than Chad. All those bro. He's better than everybody. Yo. C.J. Daniels. C.J. Daniels, man. Nah, boy, you tough. Nah, boy, you tough. Nah, boy, you tough. You tough. Boy, you tough. Nah, he's done. C.J. Daniels too tough, boy. C.J. Daniels too tough. Yo.
C.J. Daniels played all 42 catches for the Tigers, but did not catch. One run to a he is much more flexible. Done it very well. He's on target for
Nah, he's tough. I ain't gonna lie. He's tough. He's tough.
Carson Beck hit it off immediately.
Nah, he's tough. Simple.
Fletcher busts through a hole. First down.
Go run, boy. Go run. Good strong run. That's what I used to do. I get straight to it.
Plenty of time. Malachi Tony.
Oh yeah, Malachi, get out of there, Malachi. Get out of bounds. Simple.
He was hoping to pick up a block.
Simplicity right there, boy. Simplicity. And we get another ad. I'm not even looking at the screen. I just heard the ad. Come on, man. Come on, man. Popeyes. I know the method. I know the method, bruh. You see a black guy reacting to a video, and you think the perfect time to use a Popeyes ad. I'm not falling for the method. I'm not falling for it. I'm not going to Popeyes, bruh. That's touchdown. He in there. 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 Touchdown. Sample. I seen that. And I'm not even there at the game. I'm not even a ref, and I seen that. I seen that from miles away, man. Simple. 21-7. Notre Dame, y'all better do something. Oh, he gone. Oh, he out of there. Yeah, good run, boy. They heard that offense up. Y'all gotta go. Y'all gotta go. That boy number 0, he like that. Nah, he actually like that though. Ooh. Nah, boy, you tough. Hey, the 0 Notre Dame, boy, you tough. Nah, boy, you actually tough though. I ain't gonna lie.
Second and goal at the 1. Aeneas Williams is the running back. He collides with Carr, and they stay
6. Let's get it, boy. I don't even know you, but you got a number 6 though, so you tough. Hey, Notre Dame don't got no jersey numbers on the back. I mean, no names on the back. How you know who is who, man? Hey, Notre Dame, looking to doing that, man. We in newer times now, man. Y'all got the technology to do that, man. Go ahead and add them names on the back of their jerseys, man. We don't know nobody. This ain't high school, buddy.
Miami up by a touchdown with 13 and a half to go. Carson Beck.
This ain't high school, buddy. Oh, good bucket. I mean, good sack.
Take him down. Boubacar Traore, who's been a big factor tonight for the Notre Dame defense. The first.
Now, Notre Dame defense is really locked down. Hit! Hey! Oh, he he go home with that, he's tough. And that's the best pick I've ever seen. That was the best interception I've ever seen before. Like, actually not trolling. That's a. Did he kick it up with his foot? He kicked it with his foot.
Gets tipped up in the air a couple times into the awaiting arms of the All-American defensive end. That's great.
Look at that. Look at his foot. Look at that. Hey! Nah, boy. They practice. They practice that. They practice that.
Touchdown runs. They keep it on the ground, not wanting to risk a turnover in field goal range. Some of the crowd doesn't like that call.
Good call, ref.
Kick it, says Mario Cristobal.
Good call, ref.
Now they have an unsettled kicking situation. They brought in 2 transfers. Bert Auburn, for a long time, had a terrific career in Texas. He faltered last year. Carter Davis, who won the job in training camp, played 4 for 11 at FAU. First field goal try of the night.
Clutch kick right here. You gotta hit this. Y'all in crunch time, bruh. I got 9 minutes. I need all the points y'all can get. Good kick. Good kick, Miami. Okay, good pass. Hey. 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 He's still up. He's too strong, bro. He's too big. He's too strong, bro. That's basically me.
Pulls it down. And he takes a heavy hit.
And that was a big hit.
From and did well to hang on to the ball.
That was a big hit.
Massive collision by Teray. Just puts that right shoulder right to the side.
Boom! Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna lie, I be making hits like that all the time, bro. That ain't nothing. That ain't nothing new. You know my body. That ain't nothing to me. Make this kick though, little bro. Make this kick though, little bro. That's good. Miami. Yo. If he caught that, he would have been better all time than Jerry Rice. I'm not trolling. He would have been better all the time than Jerry Rice if he caught that, bro. Simple as that, bro. Simple as that.
He goes out in the pass pattern. He was open, Carden throw it to him.
Hey, wide open. Wide. Go home it. Go home. Go home. Go home. Go home.
Down inside the 15-yard line. All of a sudden, of last year for the Miami defense, a total bust and a 60 game. And this is just a huge
Beat it up, man. We already seen it. We don't want to see it. Come on, we want to get into the game.
We've seen. Carr, design quarterback.
Oh, he going home.
Touchdown.
He said he going to take it to the crib by himself. No. Nah, he's tough.
Well, running the football is a game of numbers. Well, you have 7 guys in formation for the Notre
Look at that. He read the defense. He said, get the block. Get inside. Touchdown. Bucket.
Under 2.5 to go.
Oh my gosh.
They tackle the receiver, and there's a flag thrown on Christian Gray.
All right, flag ref.
Eating healthy is hard.
I'm tired of these
Now
ass, man.
everything we
I'm
eat is
tired of these ass, bro.
And how
On Keelan Marion.
Hit the hole. Get in there.
Marty
Oh, they might kick field goal for game if they can hold the ball.
The play stays alive, and he's going to get the first down with the extra push. But this is from 47 yards to put them back on top.
Okay, Miami, do what y'all gotta do.
They have not trailed tonight. What a kick!
Good kick. Hey, he don't need to go to class for a week.
7.
He don't need to go to no classes for a week. We got Michael Irvin.
The Fort Lauderdale
Come on, man.
Better than he hit that one.
We seen. Let's get it. Come on, we seen. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. We seen he made it. Let's get it, man. Let's get it.
Carr under pressure, throws it as he was being sacked. Akeem Messador was there for Miami.
I thought he fumbled.
Ruled out an incomplete pass, and Carr is very fortunate that's the case.
And if you watch Bain, I mean, he gives a great.
He said, get off me.
Messador gets there first, but both ends collide on Carr, who very fortunately.
Come on, yo. We seen it, man. Let's get it. We seen it. We seen it. Let's go. Bro, we seen it, man. We seen it, bro. Come on.
Well, I think it's definitely a pass, but is there a receiver in the area? He's definitely in the pocket.
Come on, bro. We seen it, man.
Where the ball lands, if there's nobody near it, it's grounding.
And they have just thrown the flag.
I could have told y'all that.
2nd and 17.
Another sack. Yo, what's up with this line?
Akeem Messador.
What's up with the offensive line?
Ruben Bain there.
Run a play? What y'all doing? Y'all better run a play.
Terrific defensive ends have taken over.
Notre Dame, run a play.
And time expires. They're going to give Notre Dame the play, or are they? Now the official on the far sideline is stopping the play.
Notre Dame is the dumbest team that ever exists, bruh. Y'all, bruh, I ain't gonna lie. Notre Dame, y'all need a whole new offensive line, bruh. Notre Dame the dumbest team ever alive, bruh. Bro, they could have spiked the... Yo, y'all the dumbest team to exist, bro. I ain't gonna lie. If you go to Notre Dame, bro, just transfer from the school tomorrow. If you go to Notre Dame, bro, just cancel all your class. Don't go to class for a week, bruh. Don't go to class for a week, bro. Blame it on the football team, bro. If your grades drop this year, blame it all on this game, bro. I feel bad if you go to Notre Dame, bro. Anything that goes wrong in your life this year, bro, blame it on the Notre Dame offense and coaching system, bro. Cause what they just did was so dumb, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm happy I'm not a Notre Dame fan, bro. But if you Notre Dame fan, bro, cash up you $1,000, bro. No line, bro. Y'all gonna need it, bro. Y'all gonna need it, bro. Maybe if y'all like the video, hit that like button, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.